If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing of the new Beats Flex wireless earphones. The new Beats Flex wireless earphones come in 4 different colors: Beats Black, Flame Blue, some gray, and Citrus Yellow. Although all colors are priced equally at the Apple website, strangely though, on Amazon, the Beats Black are about 34% cheaper than the rest of them. Beats Flex are worn around the neck. They feel comfortable. I have lost a number of AirPods, as they slip easily out or the ear and fall in the most mysterious places. I therefore decided to purchase these new Beats Flex wireless, in hope that they are not going to get lost. Beats Flex boasts up to 12 hours of listening time for all-day use. If you need a little extra power, 10-minute fast fuel charging gives 1.5 hours of playback when battery is low. They are powered by the Apple W1 chip, which allows them to seamlessly integrate into the world of Apple products. The magnetic earbuds provide autoplay, pause mode. There is a built-in microphone with wind reduction for elevated voice clarity. The sound is very good. Inside the box there is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, ear tips with 4 size options, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.